Hi, as promised, I am live and I'm trying to see how many of you. Oh my god, there are lots of you joining in. Thank you guys. How sweet of you. Hi! Yay! Yay, yay, yay. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see so many of you join in. Thank you. Thank you guys. You know, I personally prefer Q&As because I feel like I'm able to talk to everyone and I can respond to everyone. Like, I just find that better. But आप लोगों ने live को ज़्यादा votes दिए थे, so I am coming live. Okay. कोई filter डाल दूँ? Just for the heck of it. You all know how I look. Okay, so many of you are joining in. Oh my god! कहाँ हो आप लोग, मुझे ये बताओ. I want to know where you guys are right now. Where are you know, tuning into this live from? Write it in the comments. I'll read it. I'm at home having nimbu pani and this is good. Good wala nimbu pani. Yummy. अमृतसर सऊदी. ओह, आई जस्ट डिड अ शो. यार ये बहुत अच्छा नहीं लग रहा फिल्टर, हटा देते हैं. ओह गॉड, नो फिल्टर. ओके या कोलकाता. हाय रिधि जोया. हाय हाय हाय. मैं इतने टाइम बाद लाइव कर रही हूँ. आई एम सॉरी इफ आई एम लाइक अ लिटिल लॉस्ट. प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी. हाय शौर्य, आई सेड योर नेम. हाय गुजरात, आसाम, चेन्नई. हाउ नाइस. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. बैंगलोर. वाओ. चंडीगढ़. आई लव चंडीगढ़. बैंगलोर. आई लव बैंगलोर ऑल्सो. हैदराबाद एंड यूर एट होम. दैट्स नाइस. बेडशीट पहन के क्या क्या आप. नहीं, बेडशीट नहीं है ये, एक बहुत लूज सा कुर्ता है यार. असुर सीजन 3 कब? वी आर गोइंग टू शूट फॉर इट सून, सो इट विल हैपन. 9 months. It's I am doing a live after 9 months. It's possible. Okay. Hi everybody. Hi hi hi. Lots of you. धनबाद. मेरा दोस्त चैंग धनबाद से है. वाराणसी. अरे वाह. लाहौर. हाय. वाराणसी. पुणे. बैंगलोर. पोर्ट ब्लेयर. ओके, सो मैंने कुछ लोगों से क्वेश्चंस. अनीत वन सेकेंड. लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल हैव सेड दिस टू मी. सैयारा मूवी में जो एक्ट्रेस है, सबने कहा है कि मैं उनकी तरह लगती हूँ. वो मेरी छोटी बहन है या मैं उनकी बड़ी बहन हूँ, विच इज आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू मेक ऑफ इट. I guess आपको हर जगह मैं ही दिखाई दे रही हूँ. Hi from Dehradun. Oh, I love Dehradun. निशान डोगरा. We share the surname. यमुना नगर, नासिक. मैं अभी कुछ समय पहले नासिक गई थी. दिल्ली, कोलकाता. I'm watching you from Dubai. Where are you? I'm in Bombay. I'm in my house and I'm having nimbu pani and talking to all of you. सो मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे आप लोगों को बोला था कि पुट इन योर क्वेश्चंस एंड आई विल आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. एंड लाइक अ गुड diligent student, I have literally I've noted down some questions that you all have asked me, so I'm going to answer them. Am I not just the best? I'm watching you from Dubai. Amazing. What is happening in Dubai? How's the weather? Everybody tell me how's the weather where you are. Bangalore का क्या हाल है? दिल्ली में तो बहुत बारिश हो रही है. It's supposed to be very cold there today. I'm in Delhi. I'm in Bombay. Just one time see my profile, read my shairi and kavita. Why don't you share some? Dhruv Tara, के लव्स आप अपनी शायरी शेयर करिए ना, मैं आपके साथ आई विल रीड आउट योर शायरी टू एवरीबडी. पुणे, नो यू लुक मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन अनीत पाडा. अरे यार, एवरी गर्ल इज ब्यूटिफुल. That's the beauty. That's why girls are the best, right? Atlee, hi! Oh my god, I have to wave back to you. Hi! Guys, that's the great Atlee. I don't know actually if it's him or it's a fan account. I have no idea, but I waved at him. He's the best. Atlee is just the most genius person I have seen. मैंने ये बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज़ में भी बोला है, और मुझे नहीं पता कि अगर वो रियली में वो हैं या फिर उनका कोई फ़ैन क्लब है, बट I just completely admire him for his mind. Yeah, he's the best. He's so good. I think he's a gift. People like Atlee are a gift to cinema. And I'm a cinema lover. That's why I think I say this so often. Hyderabad से, छत्तीसगढ़ से, जवान की मम्मी जी, जवान की मम्मी, जवान की मम्मी बहुत जवान है. Hello from sea. You're on sea. Oh man, I think I'm going to make a trip to the sea very soon. शायद नहीं, mostly मैं जाने वाली हूँ अक्टूबर में. So have fun at sea and be safe. I love the sea. I love being in water. Why are you leaving, Devi Iconic 003? You're sad. You're leaving. आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? काजल 80777. मैं अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड हूँ. मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड आई थिंक बचपन के दोस्त हैं मेरे. दे आर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. सूरज घोरपड़े, you're from सतारा. हेलो. चैंग भैया इज माई नेबर. अगर चैंग भैया आपके नेबर है, अच्छा धनबाद में, मुझे लगा अगर वो यहाँ बॉम्बे में आपके नेबर है तो मैं भी आपकी नेबर हूँ. मेरी हाउस हेल्प जा रही हैं. बाय मुबासरा. थैंक यू. My boyfriend name? No, my boyfriend, I don't have a boyfriend. Or best friend, did you mean? I don't know. It's very hot in Dubai. अयोध्या, अरे वाह. I meet a lot of people. जब भी मैं किसी को मिलती हूँ अयोध्या से तो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ wow, you're so lucky आप अयोध्या में रहते हैं. टोरंटो, अरे वाह. One of my best friends, childhood friends is I think in Toronto. Right now she's not, she's in India. मस्कट में बहुत गर्मी है. किंगडम ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया में बहुत गर्मी है, वो तो मैंने देखा ही था. Riddhi's real M by Zara says hi. What is Riddhi's real M? What is that? I mean, I know who you are. I know you personally, but आज ध्यान दिया मैंने. SRK की मम्मी. अरे यार ऐसे तो मत बोलो. Not humid like Bombay. Yes, that's true. You're simple and elegant, gorgeous. Thank you so much. Okay. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारी जगहों के बारे में बताया है. योर स्ट्रॉन्ग वॉइस इन द इंडस्ट्री. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अनअपोलोजेटिकली योरसेल्फ, सेज VVZ Click. Thank you so much for appreciating me. Thank you. You are most beautiful like other girls. Yes, all girls are beautiful. Love from Bangalore. Please speak one word in Kannada. Tell me something, I'll say it. Kochi. इन कोलकाता इट्स रेनिंग एवरी डे. यहाँ पे भी बारिश हो रही थी, अभी बारिश बंद हो गई है, लेकिन थोड़ी देर पहले बहुत बारिश हो रही थी. और मैं थोड़ा और फिल्टर ढूंढ रही हूँ. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज मेरे सामने जो सन है वो ढलता जा रहा है एंड आई हैव टू फाइंड सम फिल्टर. या दिस इज ब्राइट. आई एक्सपेक्ट यू टू गेट द नेशनल अवार्ड नेक्स्ट टू SRK. बस, थैंक यू सो मच यार, दैट मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी. थैंक यू. वांट टू सी यू एंड अनीत पाडा नेक्स्ट टुगेदर इन एनी प्रोजेक्ट. देखो उसके बारे में मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती बिकॉज यू नो आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट, बट आई प्रॉमिस टू डू गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स. दैट्स ऑल आई कैन ऑलवेज अश्योर यू, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग, गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स. ओके. हेलो फ्रॉम फ्लोरिडा, राजकोट. SRK की अम्मी. Are you still single? Yes, I'm single. आपके बेटे को नेशनल अवार्ड मिला, आप क्या कहना चाहोगी? मैंने बोल दिया यार उनको जो बोलना था. एंड स्टॉप कॉलिंग हिम माय बेटा. दिस इज रिडिकुलस. मैं एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बताती हूँ आप लोगों को. मैंने ये पर्सनली लोगों को बताई है. जब मैं शूट कर रही थी फॉर जवान और मैं उस अमेजिंग से गेटअप में थी जहाँ मैं माँ बनी थी मेरे फेवरेट हीरो की, एक दिन पैकअप हुआ और मैं तो एनीवे टंग टाइट थी. आई थिंक जितने लोग मुझे फॉलो करते हैं और जो मेरे इंटरव्यूज शायद कभी देखे होंगे, मेरी पक 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 चलती रहती है, तो उन्होंने सुना होगा मैंने 50,000 बात की अबाउट हाउ आई वाज टंग टाइड इन फ्रंट ऑफ SRK. पैकअप हुआ और उन्होंने मुझे, एक तो मैं मदर के गेटअप में हूँ, आई हैव दिस प्रोस्थेटिक ऑन, आई एम एनीवे फीलिंग वियर्ड एंड सडनली ही सेज ओके बाय बेटा एंड आई वाज लाइक this is everything that a fan does not want. This is what nightmares are made of. Luckily, I have a good sense of humor, so it's all good. I like it. I have a story to tell for life. है ना? Bangalore, heavy rain. National Award winners, mummy. Atley, this is all because of you. Love from Lucknow. Love from Mumbai. Love from my heart. Love from Pune. Love to you too. Are you visiting Bikaner? Maybe. I'm waving back at your diehard fan, Riddhi. Mwah. Big kiss to you. What's the most Riddhi thing you've ever done? I don't know, yaar. I think just existed. Been extremely authentic. I think that's the most Riddhi thing I do. बहुत बारी ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं मैं कुछ करती हूँ, बिहेव करती हूँ कुछ, I do things and then I feel like oh my god I was too, like I had no filter on, and in a good way. I never ever, मतलब मैं ज़्यादा hurtful चीज़ें नहीं करती हूँ, but मैं बहुत honest हो जाती हूँ कभी कभी. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि that's probably the most Riddhi thing I do. I wear my heart on my sleeve, and I think that's probably it. I don't manipulate. So when I don't manipulate, I'm authentic. So when I'm authentic, I am being most myself. Yeah, what is this obsession everyone has with armpits? It's ridiculous. I think it's just the silliest thing on this planet. Get a life, everybody. Okay. Love your recent podcast interview. Guys, so I am thinking of doing some sort of a podcast. I'm not too full of myself, तो मेरे लिए बहुत difficult है कि मैं कुछ करूं, but आजकल थोड़े creative thoughts आ रहे हैं दिमाग में और I've actually put everything down on paper. This is the third time I am thinking of doing something online, and पहली 2 बार मैंने नहीं किया. The first time it was before lockdown, second time it was I don't know some time back, और अब मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए बिकॉज बहुत अंदर से फीलिंग आ रही है. जब तक मेरी अंदर से फीलिंग नहीं आती मैं तब तक नहीं करती. इस बार मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई थिंक आई विल आंसर माई इनर कॉलिंग. हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन टू यू टू. आई लव how the entire fandom comes together. I am so blessed to have all of you. Riddhi Dogra FP, I'm so blessed to have all of you. You have no idea. You guys stand so strong with me. मैं क्या बोलूँ आप लोगों के लिए यार. You're my angels. Seriously, you guys are my angels. Watching you since Maryada until now, you're a beautiful person. In and out. Love from Bangkok means a lot because अगर आप मुझे तब से देख रहे हैं तो आप मुझे तब से देख रहे हैं जब से मैं एक इनोसेंट सी भोली भाली सी बच्ची थी. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू मूव ऑन टू सम क्वेश्चंस क्योंकि मैंने आप लोगों से पूछा था कि क्वेश्चंस भेजिए और बहुत सारे लोगों ने क्वेश्चंस भेजे हैं और मैंने अच्छे बच्चे की तरह लिखे हैं आपके क्वेश्चंस, सो मैं आंसर करने वाली हूँ. ओके, सलोनी 3966 आपने मुझसे पूछा था, आई एम फीलिंग लाइक अ न्यूज़ रीडर. आप काइंड हो या नहीं कि बस इंस्टा पे ही हो? अब इसका जवाब मैं क्या दूँ. आजकल लाइक आई से कलयुग का ज़माना है. यहाँ पे सब कुछ रियल चीज़ें बनावटी लगती हैं और बनावटी चीज़ें रियल लगती हैं, और अगर आप एक्सप्लेन करने जाओ तो लगेगा कि वो सच है या झूठ, पता नहीं. सो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम ऑलवेज काइंड. आई डोंट थिंक आई एम ऑलवेज नाइस. आई डोंट थिंक आई एम ऑलवेज अ गुड पर्सन. वी ऑल वॉन्ट टू बी गुड एंड काइंड, बट येस मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं मैं बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट दूं लोगों को, और मैं ये भी कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं in any like in any moment I am graceful and dignified, not just to me but to the person in front of me. So if that sometimes becomes kind, good. If sometimes it becomes that I have my boundaries, then I'm not kind to that person, but I always try and be dignified and graceful. Okay. आकांक्ष _ आकांक्ष ने मुझसे पूछा, I'm 2004 born but can't relate to my generation. Does that happen to you too with your generation people? Since you look so young. Thank you guys, thank you. Yeah, I mean when I was in school, I think I used to find मेरे जनरेशन के, मतलब मेरी एज के बच्चे, मेरे को लगता था कि कितने स्टूपिड हैं, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था जब मैं छोटी थी, जब मैं स्कूल में थी, when I was growing up, I used to feel that. Now now I don't really have that judgment anymore because I have met बहुत सारे लोगों को from across generations and I have understood that age is really just a number. I have met some of the most youthful people who are way older than me, and I've met some really खड़ूस people who are very young. So you know, इतने सारे लोगों को मिलने के बाद आपको समझ में आता है that age is like, I feel like age is a number we give for data collection on planet Earth. You know, that I have been on this planet for 40 years. But or for some it will be 20 years. And you know, वो बस data collection है. Your hair is majestic. Thank you so much. Sabarmati Express कैसा रहा आपका? Sabarmati Report. I don't know why everyone calls it Sabarmati Express. Your hair is super. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to try and see. Remember when you sang song during lockdown lives? Did I? I have guts. I have guts. Antakshari khele guys. Kidding. We'll do that another time. I love music, so we can do it. It's not a bad idea. I feel like you stopped aging. You look the same. RT dump. I'm going to pin your comment, bro. Guys, आपको पता है मैं सऊदी में थी जब मैं ये शूट कर रही थी. I have to tell you, in fact, ये मेरे को फ्लॉन्ट करना चाहिए इसके बारे में. There were people who got, मतलब जो हमारी टीम थी, वहाँ की टीम, they got upset with me when I told them my age. They got legit angry with me. कि you know, don't make fun of me. Why are you lying? Why are you like fooling me? I was so happy. I wish I could have recorded, you know, उनके reaction. And there was another time we were sitting and shooting something. Guys, I'm giving you full मेरी जिंदगी की goss जो मैं अपने दोस्तों को बता रही थी. I was sitting and shooting with a bunch of students, okay, in a music academy. There was this boy sitting next to me and he's like, what are you doing after? Meet me. And in my head I'm thinking, do you even know how old I am? Because I was like, then I asked him, how old do you think I am? And he said, guys, he said 22, 23. I promise I'm not making it up. And I could have, of course I could have lied ना, मैं बोल सकती थी कि no, that's not true, but मतलब मैंने बोला ऐसा. I said no, you're off. So you're not right about that. So then he said 28, 27, 28. And I really was like, okay, Riddhi, you're getting a compliment, just take it. And I said, you're right. I just a great moment in my life, and I'm sharing it with all of you. Okay, Parik _ 108 ने मुझसे पूछा है, what drew you to acting in the first place? Money. That's right. That's what drew me to acting in the first place. क्योंकि मैं काम कर रही थी and I was very keen to stop taking money from my parents. तो मैंने जॉब शुरू कर दिया था. उसके बाद जब एक्टिंग का ऑफर आया from a television show, तो सबसे पहले मैंने ये देखा that I'm getting much more money every month. But now over the years I've realized that acting, in fact even at that time I had realized that acting is filling the gap in my life जो dancing ने fill किया था, which is what gap? There was no gap, but like I used to, every human being is creative और हम सबको express करना you know अच्छा लगता है. तो dancing for me was that. So I started acting, and acting sort of gave me that same high that dancing used to give me. So I was like, this is amazing. I'm getting money and I'm also getting to express. इससे better क्या ही हो सकता है? I met you in Bombay at a restaurant near Taj. Yeah, you are emoji. What do you call the emoji जिसमें crying eyes होती है and heart? Thank you. Lots of love. Okay, let's see what else is someone saying. I love how you tell your story, and whatever you put on Insta story, I can easily relate. Thank you for being you. It's everything. Cheetah_Aditi. Thank you. देखो मैं दिल से करती हूँ जो भी करती हूँ. Live from महाराष्ट्र, नंदेद महाराष्ट्र. हम आउट ऑफ सिलेबल्स क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, यहाँ तो आंसर मिलेगा. पूछना भूल गई पहले. अच्छा हाँ, पूछो पूछो. Riddhi, you're the definition of elegance and power. You're very kind, yeah. Love from Jaipur. Hello. Yes, that's true. Age is just a number. Exactly. I saw your simplicity in Lal Bagh. You are super down to earth actress. You know, someone has asked me this. Wait. Wait. Someone asked me a question. I noted down. Agam_0609 ने मुझसे पूछा, मैम, in the hustle glam life, have you ever thought of taking a break and starting normal life? And the reason I took this question is because, guys, my life is very normal. You know, ये glamorous and all. I was not born into this, right? So, मतलब I was not born into glamour. मेरे आसपास की सारी दुनिया बहुत normal है. मेरे family, मेरे friends, they're all normal like you. And you are the company you keep. So I am very normal. So I don't give up the simple life. In fact, I think that I'm very, very proud to be just like you. Yes, we get to know a lot of things अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री, एंड आपको पर्सपेक्टिव मिलते हैं ज़िंदगी के बारे में, पर वो हम सबको मिलते हैं जब आप भी कोई काम करते हैं और आप किसी प्रोफेशन में जाते हैं. तो यू ऑल्सो गेट टू नो थिंग्स दैट योर फैमिली वुड नॉट नो, दैट योर फ्रेंड्स वुड नॉट नो, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट आपकी जो सिंप्लिसिटी है वो चली जाती है. यू विल ऑलवेज बी द पर्सन हु कम्स फ्रॉम द रूट्स, यू नो, जो आपके रूट्स हैं, यू विल ऑलवेज बी दैट पर्सन. सो आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल. आई एम नॉट गिवन अप एनीथिंग. दिस ग्लैम वर्ल्ड एंड ऑल इज अ प्रोफेशन. It's not everything I am. What are you drinking right now? Nimbu ka pani with good black salt. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Married Woman Season 2. Guys, मुझे नहीं पता यार. वो प्लीज चैनल से पूछो, मेकर्स से पूछो, प्रोडक्शन हाउस से पूछो, और फिर मुझे भी बता देना. Few of you are asking me about work. I have to tell you all, I have a personal manager. I am not managed by any agency. मतलब this is for the few people जो industry में हैं. You can reach out to me directly. There is an email address which is on Instagram. I check it not very often, but my manager does. Ishan, he should also come here. Then I'll make you meet him. Anyway, तो आप लोग please reach out करो on that email. Anybody who wants to do anything work related, and we will like get in touch. We'll connect with you. I will connect with you. I will take some more questions. Do you think there is pressure on actors to look good? Of course. I mean, I don't प्रेशर तो उतना होता है जितना आप लेना चाहें. अगर मैं प्रेशर लेना चाहूँ तो मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट्स विच यू नो, लाइक व्हेन आई ऑल्सो गो फॉर लाइक यू नो हेयर कट, और आई गो फॉर मतलब आई डोंट इवन डू फेशियल्स, whatever, you know, there's 1000 चीजें that I can do, but you can take as much pressure as you want to. You don't really have to. छोला भटूरा पसंद है. हाँ, मुझे छोले भटूरे बहुत पसंद है, पर वही छोले भटूरे जो मेरे घर में बनते हैं. Are you always this charming or just on live? I am always this charming. What do you want to say about the new feature on Instagram about the feed where we can see reels? Our friends have liked. I love it. I love it. I've seen every reel my friends have liked. I'm kidding. But yeah, it's too intrusive, na? There's just too much intrusion. What else? What else? Heart to Soul 2021 waved back at ya. I just loved you in Married Woman. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Riddhi, you know Rahul Sharma, that tall boy is my school friend. Really? He's a sweetheart. He's an adorable boy. I really am very fond of him. Okay, और बातें बताओ यार, चलो. Very soon, guys, I'm going to go 5-10 minutes. I think I'll take few more questions that I've written down actually. Let's take few more questions. What should I take? Do I have any regrets? Mohammed 7801 asked me if I have any regrets. No, I don't have any regrets because I truly believe everything in my life, each and everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, has been, it's propelled me forward. So I am very grateful for my entire life. That's how I look at my life. I absolutely am very grateful. Always grateful. मैंने बहुत चैंपियन बन के एक क्वेश्चन नोट डाउन किया था, thinking that I will answer this, but I have no answer for this. Your ideal world if you were a PM or a leader. In my ideal world, I think we would all just coexist. I will take out capitalism and I will make us all, like, if I was that PM or leader, I will make it कि जो इंसान सबसे ज़्यादा coexist करेगा nature के साथ और life के और animals के साथ, वो ही सबसे, और morals और values और ethics की classes होंगी, और yeah, basically simple is better. I would do all of that. And I would use technology and everything to serve us, not the other way around. I don't know if that's good, bad. Ideal बोला ना, तो idealistic ही बातें करेंगे. If you get an offer in Telugu industry, which actor will you work with? All of them. Why will I not? Why will I pick only one? All of them. मुंबई का कौन सा डिश पसंद है? वड़ा पाव. Love it. You remember Life Okay Savitri? Do you remember Life Okay Savitri? मैंने तो शो किया है, वो मेरा शो है, तो of course I remember it. Rubies _ IRR ने मुझसे पूछा है, one thing I do in my free time. Nothing. That's what free times are for, and that's what, ये चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, इसके बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी कि हम लोग फ्री टाइम को फ्री टाइम की तरह ट्रीट नहीं करते. We want to make free time also productive. इतना प्रेशर क्यों डालते हो यार अपने ऊपर? फ्री टाइम शुड बी फ्री. यू शुड बी फ्री इन योर फ्री टाइम, एंड यू शुड बी, we don't give ourselves enough time to feel bored, to feel like, oh, I'm not doing anything, I'm lazy. Just relax. Everyone needs to relax. Okay guys, अब मैं जाने वाली हूँ 5 मिनट में. Let's see, I'm going to the end of the page. Lots of people want to come live with me. Should I do it? Should I get one of you and chat with you? What do you think about creating your own YouTube channel? Yeah, guys, I am thinking of creating my own YouTube channel. I have some ideas. Sorry, my nail paint is chipped, but I am thinking of my YouTube channel. Now that you're talking on podcast, I have to tell you, please do it. These are the last 2 weeks of my life as a teen, and I've got to thank you for helping me be a better person. Riddhi Dogra FP, I love you, girl, I love you. Who's your favorite cricketer? Sachin Tendulkar. I don't follow cricket, like I'm a, family देख रही है इसलिए मैं बैठ के देखती हूँ वाला person. All cricketers are good, yeah. All sports people are fantastic for doing what they do. Okay guys, कोई joke सुनाओ यार. Okay, are you ticklish? No. Been following you since the show 7 and Rishta.com. Wow, that's like the beginning of my career. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Hi, hi. Kabdul Rahman from Pakistan. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, who is your favorite singer? Oh, very tough question. Who is my favorite? Okay, guys, I'll go when my drink gets over. Okay. My favorite singer. बहुत सारे हैं. I love music. Music is my life. So I can't pick one. I love music. Mm, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Okay. Should I take a request? A fan since Maryada. Meghani, Sri Lanka. Mwah. I remember you. What's your favorite dish in Big Chill, Delhi? बता दूँ. Angry chicken pasta. I've been ordering it since 2003. I have not been able to eat anything else. Although there are things I've tried, of course, but मैं वही खाती हूँ हमेशा. How does the ocean say hi? Waves. I love it. Thank you for the joke. मैंने बोला joke सुना, आपने joke सुना दिया. Vishu_1402. Let's take few more questions and then drink up my. जब ये ग्लास खत्म हो जाएगा तब मैं ये लाइफ खत्म कर दूंगी. I'm so smart. Okay. I just hope I don't drop it. What keeps me going every day? प्ररूप भट्ट ने मुझसे पूछा था. What keeps me going every day? I want to say money because it's a capitalist world, but it's my dreams. I think we all have like a purpose. We all want to do something. There is always something that makes us want to get up and like do something with our time, right? So I have a purpose. I think I have a lot to express. I have the need to express. You know, some people have the need for validation. Some people have the need for, I don't know, protection. Some people have the need for, I don't know, सबकी needs अलग होती हैं. My need is to express. I feel like I want to keep expressing my entire life. Like every day, I want to be able to put my expression out there, not just feel. हम regular life में तो बस feel करते हैं and we go from one thing to another. Like of course when I am smiling or laughing I'm expressing, लेकिन to be able to creatively do it, उससे बड़ा सुकून कोई नहीं है मेरे लिए. और अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा मैं लाइव हिंदी में कर रही हूँ. Pat on my back. Your hottest Bollywood celeb. Are you telling me I'm the hottest Bollywood celeb, or are you asking me my hottest Bollywood celeb? I think you're asking me, no? I don't know. Why did Riddhi bring a ladder to her TV set? Because she always likes to take her acting to the next level. Fantastic! I love it. I_Ehsan Kamal. My God, यार. I love your joke. I love it. It's too good. आप हिंदी हैं, हम में पहला सीरियल है. दूसरा एक्चुअली, बट वो मेरा पहला शो था एज अ मेन लीड. यस. एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग विद शाहरुख खान. पूरा इंटरनेट ढूंढ लो यार. देयर आर सो मेनी एक्सपीरियंसेस आई हैव शेयर्ड. इट्स एम्बैरेसिंग नाउ. Should I need new experiences. That ladder one was funny, yeah. Funny joke. Okay, guys. Time to drink up my juice. My nimbu pani, sorry. Series or movies, both. But movies because you don't stay addicted to it and you can finish it and move on with your life. Series तो मतलब you lose track of time and you'll stop doing everything else, जो हम सबके साथ हुआ था लॉकडाउन में. लव फ्रॉम आयरलैंड. लव फ्रॉम जम्मू. जम्मू मैं जाऊंगी. जम्मू आई थिंक अपने बर्थडे पे फिर से जाऊंगी. What advice would you like to give someone aspiring to become an actress? यार, I want to do personal chats with people who want to I would just say, don't fall for the noise. You know, इतना कुछ है बाहर. There is so much that you guys hear right now. Like when I was younger, 20, when I was 22, 23, I think it was much more. It was much less everything. You know, इतना noise नहीं था. हम जो करना चाहते थे हम कर लेते थे. लेकिन आजकल I think बहुत pressure है सब पे, because you think I want to do this and then you go online and there are 10 things you watch and then you feel inadequate, or you feel like, oh god, मुझे ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. So I would say give every moment your 100%. आपके resources को fully use करो, and you know, things will happen for you. Meet people, focus on having experiences and being present in all experiences that you have. That really makes a difference. And also, you know, don't fall for work on your character. Like, what I mean to say is be authentic, because you know, the reason being authentic is good is because अगर आप authentic होंगे, you will you know, जो लोग authentic नहीं है वो भाग जाएंगे. वो they can't stand people who are authentic. So that's a very good way to attract authentic people to you, decent people to you, people with good energy to you. Yeah. Just got a compliment. I'm blushing. Breaking news. Scientists confirm Riddhi Dogra's smile has officially replaced coffee as the best morning booster. So sweet, yaar. Hello, I really like your nose. I dream of genie कर लेना चाहिए मुझे, है ना? Thank you. रियल है, टेढ़ी है. बहुत लोग मुझे बोलते हैं आप यू नो गेट अ नोज जॉब बिकॉज आपकी नोज टेढ़ी है. आई थिंक इट्स ओके. लिटिल बिट ऑफ इम्परफेक्शन इज फाइन. एंड व्हेन आई वाज अ किड मुझे बोला था कि डिविएटेड सेप्टम, जो आई थिंक बहुत लोगों को है, मुझे भी है. आई हैव एलर्जी इशू. व्हेन आई वेक अप आई स्नीज 15 times. सो आई डू फील लाइक मुझे बचपन में करा लेना चाहिए था, बट I didn't do it. And now, not only do I have a teda nose, but I also sneeze a lot in the morning. But don't worry, I do yoga, I do anulom vilom, and I do everything. Jal neti, मैं सब करती हूँ. Okay. Oh, so sweet, yaar. You guys are just making me feel very good. I just want to say I love you all. Okay, guys, it's time for me to go. Last bye byes I will now do to everybody. Asur 3 aa raha hai. I am ordering nimbu pani for you from Blinken. Please don't end this live. I am ending this live, guys. Your nose is not imperfect but rather compliment to your beauty. I love it. I want to say this to all the girls. Ki if you own your imperfections, the world loves you. And yeah. अभी है थोड़ा सा नहीं, अब इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ गुड़ है. मैं नहीं पी सकती इतना सारा गुड़, so sorry, I can't. Lots of love to all of you. I will save this live hopefully. I hope I don't mess it up, and this was fun. Next time I'll do a Q&A. Okay, write in the comments, guys, what you felt about the live. Tell me, give me feedback, what I should do, how I should interact with you. ये कोई PR टीम नहीं है यहाँ पे. मैं खुद अपने दिमाग से, मैं अपनी खुद की PR टीम हूँ, बिकॉज मैंने PR की पढ़ाई की है. सो जाते जाते I want to tell all of you to write in the comments. Tell me how we should stay connected. I would love to stay connected with you guys. And tell me what you liked in the live, if you liked anything, if you didn't like anything, if you don't like my face, वो भी लिख दो, सब लिखो. Okay, but talk to me. I'm listening. That's what this is for. Okay, bye. Bye. Don't feel like going, but I'm going.